let's practice getting into a plank from a position on the floor. So we're gonna, because when you get to a certain point in the mat work, it's gonna flow to come from this position. I guess I should preface it with that, rather than from a standing position, which is also a thing. So, but anyhow, from a floor position, you're starting on your elbows where they are as best underneath your shoulders as you can make them. So you don't want them so far forward and you don't want them so far back. So the elbow, hopefully this looks pretty good, underneath the shoulders. That said, you want your knees underneath your hips. So sometimes they're too far forward, sometimes they're too far back to start with. You're trying to, as best you can, and I have to literally look around here and see that they're underneath your hips, as best you can organize that. That said, once you're here, the tendency is gravity wants to pull and bring you into this nice cow position, right? No, we don't want that. So we want to connect your triceps to that kind of side part of your back, and you're finding that. Then you want to scoop the abdominals, scoop the ribs, scoop your chest up, and it's almost going to feel round, right? But if you start coming up with an arched back, you're going to be arched, and it's going to make your lower back work too much. It's not going to feel good. So almost like someone's here with you and they're going to give you a big giant hug up to the ceiling. You scoop it all in, and then from there, I've got my toes tucked under as best that you can, because I know that can be hard for certain toes. So just be mindful if this is going to work or not for you. So scooping up, all you have to do is transfer your weight forward so your arms are straight and lift your knees. All without letting yourself sag, okay? So let's just come back down again. Find the scoop more than you think. You're gonna just straighten your arms, transfer your weight, shoulders on top of the wrist, straighten your knees, and then really scoop up away from the floor so that it's not this, because that's not gonna help you. So in that position here, come back down, bend your elbows, and we'll just do it one more time. As you straighten your arms, almost feel like it gets even stronger, deeper, the connection of your triceps around the side of your back and along your back, okay? So in this position, maybe do what you don't want, get it out of the way, right? And then kind of scoop everything up as best you can. Carry that scoop with you. It's a long C curve. You carry it forward with you, straighten your arms and legs, and boom. It feels very easy on the wrists comparatively. From there, we might do things where we lift our legs. You can end up going into your push-ups. And you know, if you've got that already with you, that scooped, lifted, long C curve, you can pretty much do anything. And you'll be that much stronger because it's not going to be only based on your arm or wrist strength or flexibility. So keep practicing that. It's just a simple, easy way to think of it. And we'll go from there. Yeah, all right. We'll see you in the next video.